Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for the question. Something that not developed during his time when he was head of the Human Resource Department at the Ministry of Education. Something that the teachers were requesting him to do. Now he's taken the opportunity to come and ask whether we have attended to some of these things. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry of Education takes into serious consideration the teachers' well-being and safety, and has developed a educators' protection policy, formerly known as teacher protection policy, as the honourable members referred to. It was revised after consultation to change from teachers' protection policy to educators' protection policy to not only safeguard teachers, but other education staff and teaching staff that usually come and visit schools in accordance to relevant legislations and relevant laws, Mr. Speaker, sir. Before I continue further, I just wanted to also advise the honourable member that yesterday we passed the second reading of the education bill, and part of the contents that is covered in the education bill is regarding offences and penalties on offences to insult or abuse to teachers. So that is taken into consideration some of the concerns that has been raised regarding teacher safety. Mr. Speaker, sir, because of these sequence of events, the policy that we are doing will have to take into consideration those elements that have been included in this revised education bill that was presented yesterday, to ensure that we are in compliance with the requirements and with the pertinent issues as highlighted. So once the policy is finalized, we will follow through the process of making consultations and getting opinions from the Office of the Solicitor General before we finalize this educators' protection policy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.